airport.
Sure.
We're in the airport. We're going to Park
Hello,
City.
vlog.
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 With a V.
Vlog.
On the plane. Oh, not yet.
All underneath the seat in front of you, lifting between your feet on your lap for takeoff and landing. Flight attendants, please arm and cross-check your dorsal push back.
We've made it.
Thank you for flying Southwest Airlines and welcome to Salt Lake City.
In the airport. Oh, my camera's fuzzy. Hello. We have made it to our little Airbnb. It's really cute. I love the little kitchen. It's so fun. We've got the essentials. I'm just opening our waters. We got Chinese food and it was really, really good. It was awesome. So yeah, I'm very excited. We go skiing tomorrow. I'll give you a little room tour. Here's the kitchenette and a little table. Going through my little bathroom. Hey. But here's my room, my little double beds. I think I'm gonna sleep on both of them, and I'm gonna do it like this. I'm not even sure if you can see me, but if you can, this is how I'm gonna be sleeping. I have a heater, which is great because I like to warm up my clothes in the morning before I put them on, because I'm crazy, and also I hate putting on cold clothes because it just, terrible. But this is it. It's my little place. Let's check under the bed for monsters. Clear. Closet, clear. We get to go skiing tomorrow. I'll see you all in the morning. Good morning. I was up an hour ago. Time change. Got the new jacket right here, and I brought my hat by accident, so we're gonna have to deal with that. Here we are. Lift running. Oh, lift running. Yeah. Don't hurt me. Taking a break because I'm absolutely overheated and it is so hot out. Oh my god. Plus my legs feel like they're gonna fall off because I haven't worked out in like 3 weeks. So, me in line. It's so pretty. Hit the bush again this time. Success. Let's go. color is an absolute win. Let's go to dinner. Park City, yeah. Park City, yeah. Main Street. I just got asked if I wanted a kids menu. No, Sharon, I don't want a kids menu. Thanks. I made a duck with my leftovers. On Main Street.
Text PC Main.
Bookstore cat. Back from dinner, and I'll see you all in day 2. Ice cream, wine, and Aquaman. Yeah. Good morning. Day 2 of skiing. Filet mignon. Sid mignon. Good morning, skiers. Day 2, Park City. Just got off the Bonanza lift. And my favorite run is closed. Thumbnail. Okay, vlog, I hope you're going. Halfway done. I went on the bowl. It was so much fun. It was so bumpy and it was so much fun. And I slid into powder and it was funny. And then, oh, I'm tired and I need water. Ooh, chicken tenders. And then I went through the trees and did the lift line run and it was really fun. I did that one. We are finished for the day. Yay! We are back again. I had a job interview at 4 today, which was crazy. But now we're going to dinner. Sorry, I forgot to film like all day. I came back, took a nap, did my interview, and watched the last night's episode of Saturday Night Live with Kate McKinnon and Billie Eilish. Pretty cool. It was a funny skit. So joke swap hit this year. It was good. Also, we found out when we were taking off our boots that the bowl that I went on was like one of the hardest on that side of the mountain. So like, we're back in Tempe. Good night, everyone. Getting ready for ski day 3 tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going on the canyon side. I'm really excited. It's cold. Day 3 of skiing. Going to the canyon side today. Woo-hoo. Day 3. Gondola. It is snowing. This is gonna be a no footage kind of day. Sorry, guys. Halfway through, I had a delicious lunch of M&Ms and Doritos and a Kind Bar. My gloves are completely soaked through, so that's fun. So I'm gonna go try and dry them. Day 3 complete. It finally dried up a bit, but it's so terrible and annoying to film on my phone because it almost always falls out. So maybe next ski trip I'll have a phone holder. Night 3 fit. Whoa, hey-o. Finally starting to learn how I like to style these silhouettes. It's good. It's a little harder than it looks. A lot of stress. I'm not good at hair at all. You guys know this. So this is a step up for me. Park City. Hey-o. Ooh. Delicious. Cheers. This is gorgeous. I want fudge, so we're gonna go get fudge. Whoa. Candy shop. They didn't have fudge, but they had these dark chocolate caramel squares. Sensational. Mountain Dude, yeah. Hey. In the ski store. Okay, I'm back, and I think I'm gonna end the video here just because I'm just gonna be traveling tomorrow, and unless you want to watch the traveling in the end credits, then do that. But make sure you guys are subscribed. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.